Hello everyone and welcome to Don's PC Guide. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you 15 keyboard shortcuts that you should be using today. Now, I know a lot of people, they don't use keyboard shortcuts in their day-to-day life, and I think that should change. So, these 15 I specially curated to be the best keyboard shortcuts for anybody. Let's get started. Now, according to YouTube analytics, only about 10% of you watching right now are actually subscribed to my channel. Now let's change that. Smash that subscribe button right below for more videos. Okay, so we're starting off with shortcut number 1. It's going to be super easy. It's just the Windows key and the up arrow. What this does is it maximizes your selected tab. So you've got to make sure that the window that you want is selected. So we click on it and it's selected. Now we click Windows key and up. Boom, we have our selected window maximized. Coming in at number 2, we're going to move our selected window all around the screen. So this is really useful if you have trouble using the multitasking options. So another one where you can have one tab beside the other. You can actually just lock them into place using the arrows instead of using your mouse. So you can get all 4 of them in there, or you can have the side-by-side ones. And just to maximize that again, it's just the Windows key and up. Easy peasy. Okay, coming in at number 3, if you have a bunch of tabs open and you want them all minimized to the bottom of the screen, how do you do that easily and effectively? Well, one choice is you can just click this button right here. So there's this little line at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and that will minimize everything. Or it's just the Windows key and M. So that's our next keyboard shortcut. Windows key M minimizes all open windows. Coming in at number 4, we have Show the Task View. So this is a really easy one as well, where all you do is you click the Windows key and the tab button. What this is going to do is it's going to show you all of the tabs that you currently have open. So let's try it out. As you can see down here, I've got a few things open. We click the Windows key tab, and there's all the things that I have open. Coming in at number 5, we have Lock the Screen. So I can't click this one right now, but all you have to do is click that Windows key and the L. That'll lock your screen up. Unfortunately, that'll close my recording software, so I wouldn't be able to do this video, but you can try it out if you're interested. Just Windows key and L. Coming in at number 6, this is also my favorite keyboard shortcut, and that is Show the Clipboard. So whatever you copy, you can actually bring up a clipboard and see all of the history. So it's your clipboard history. You're actually going to have to enable this the first time you use it, but it's just the Windows key and the V. So that's Windows key V, and you can scroll through all the things that you've copied recently. Coming in at number 7, long gone are the days where you have to search up settings just to get to your settings folder. All you have to do is click that Windows key and the I button. Let's try it out. Windows key, I, and there's our Windows settings. Coming in at number 8, we have the emoji panel. I've already made a video on this. It's super easy. All you do is click the Windows key and the period button. There it is, and all you have to do is select whatever you want and it'll type it wherever you have it. So if you're in Word and you click one of those emojis, it'll pull it up in Word. If it's Google, it'll pull it up in Google, so on and so forth. Keyboard shortcut number 9 is going to open up Cortana listening mode. So first off, before we do this keyboard shortcut, you're going to have to search up Cortana, and then you're going to click on Cortana permissions, and then talk to Cortana, and you're going to make sure that your keyboard shortcut is turned on. Okay, now you've already seen it, but all you have to do is click the Windows key and the C button. Hi Cortana. There she is. Keyboard shortcut number 10 is one of my most used keyboard shortcuts, and it's a super simple one. Whenever you don't know what setting you want to use, or you can't find a program that you need, you just search it. Just click the Windows key and the S button. That'll pull up your search and you'll be all good to go. Coming in at number 11, we have the Xbox game bar. All you have to do for this is click the Windows key and the G, and it'll pull up whatever your game bar is. So Windows key G, And for me, I've got this capture open. I have the audio mixer. I have my Xbox Social. And then this is the main hub right here. So you can open up whatever you want. You can add some stuff like maybe look at my performance. Whatever it may be. It's really useful for you when you're in games. You can chat with friends. You can do some video capture. Whatever you want. Coming in at number 12, we have the secondary start menu. So everybody knows that if you just go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, click that button, that's the primary start menu. If you want the secondary one, you can just right-click and it'll pull up that, or you can click the Windows key and the X button. That'll pull up your full secondary start menu. For number 13, I'm going to show you how to open any one of these apps on the bottom without actually clicking on it. So if you have these memorized, usually people don't change their bottom bar too much, but you can memorize which place each one of these apps are in, and you just click the Windows key and the number of the place that they're at, and it'll open them. So if we count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 8th one is my Chrome. So we're going to click Windows key, number 8, and it'll pull up the Chrome. For number 14, I'm going to show you how to hide all things that are showing up on your desktop and then make them appear again instantly. All you have to do is click the Windows key and D. That'll hide them the first time. Windows key and D again, and that'll pull them back up. Okay, before we finish off with number 15, YouTube Analytics says that only 10% of you guys who are watching my videos are actually subscribed to my channel. Let's fix that by smashing the subscribe button below and hitting a like if you like this video. Let's get on to number 15. Okay, number 15 is our making virtual desktops. So when you have a bunch of things up and it is starting to get a little bit difficult to navigate through your desktop, but you still need those applications open, you can just create a virtual one. All you have to do is click the Windows key, Control, and D. So there's our new one. If you want to go and manage these, all you have to do is click the Windows key and the Tab button. So there they are right there. There's my new one. We're going to delete that, and we're going to pull back our old desktop right there. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just like I said before, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell for more videos. Have a great day, everybody.